So this is day 1, 2025, backyard food garden. So here's the apple tree, right? This is what it looks like after the off season. So, and then just to show you before I start planting. Right now, what's today's date? What is this? March. It's spring break, so it's hard for me to remember what date it is. I think it's like the 24th or something. So I'll probably have stuff planted by next month. See, I'm going to pull these weeds. This is what you have to do every season. And like, I struggle sometimes because I don't rotate like I need to. So this year, I'm not going to be planting my tomatoes in the I'm not going to be planting tomatoes in here on this side, which is the part where I can hang my tomatoes, but I'm not going to do it because I've noticed they haven't been growing very well, and what I realized is I'm supposed to be rotating. So I'm going to rotate them, which means I'm not going to plant the tomatoes in this section. I'm going to plant them in that section over there, right? That still has a trellis hanging over, so I can use that. I'm just trying out stuff. And the reason why is because, like, just like I read about it and I study it and I try to find out what they say, what they want, what we're supposed to do in our gardens, and so I'm going to test it. I'm not just going to believe it every time, but from what I've learned, that's how you have to do it. You got to rotate them. So rotate your crops, guys. Rotate them so you can get some harvest. You're not wasting your time.